This is the ThinkNode-M3 smart node device, built on the Meshtastic protocol. It supports long-range LoRa communication, environmental data collection, and positioning functionality. Below is the full configuration from power on to communication test. Connect ThinkNode-M3 to the computer with a USB cable. Open the official website and download the corresponding firmware for ThinkNode-M3. Open the ThinkNode-M3 drive folder and replace the UF2 file in the drive with the downloaded UF2 file. The device will restart automatically and beep to indicate successful burning. Press the device button. Red LED lights up with a beep. Device is powered on. Android phone, Meshtastic app configuration. Wait for the LED to flash blue to enter Bluetooth waiting mode. Open the Meshtastic app on your phone and search for devices starting with Meshtastic _. The suffix can be confirmed via the MAC address on the back cover of the device. Enter the pairing code 123456 and save to complete Bluetooth pairing. LoRa configuration, set region to United States, ignore MQTT. Frequency to 915 MHz. Transmit power to 22. Device reboots automatically after saving. Configure positioning parameters. Broadcast interval 90 seconds. Smart interval 15 seconds. Smart distant 1. Save device reboots. Wait for reconnection. Go to module config gives telemetry. Enable required data collection switches. Return to main interface gives node panel to view real-time information such as battery, temperature, and humidity. Device info gives position log to view the latest latitude and longitude data. Channel settings. Select long fast, set name to M3, PSK to SQ ==, enable position and save. iOS phone, Meshtastic app configuration. Search for and select the device starting with Meshtastic _. Enter the pairing code 123456 to complete the pairing. The LoRa configuration, positioning parameters and channel settings are all consistent with the previous steps. ThinkNode-M3 inter-device communication. Two devices communicate successfully. You can send alert bell, character alarm bell, and positioning information. The receiver will display real-time signal quality parameters and trigger a buzzer alert, completing full inter-device data interaction and alarm linkage.